You can now take your Codex work to the next level with the Codex Micro, a keyboard built with the Team at Work louder specifically for Codex. I honestly can't imagine building without it anymore. To show you how it works, I'm going to use GPT 5.6 Soul in Codex to build a little word game and steer the entire process from the Micro. Let's start with voice dictation. I can hold this key and start talking to Codex. Build a browser game called One Letter Off. Players change one letter at a time to turn the word cold to warm, add a 30-second timer, streaks, and satisfying tile animations. The whole prompt appears without me touching my laptop keyboard. I can configure the analog stick at the top to map to the most common skills that I use, or by default, swipe it up to use plan mode. With the dial, I can control the reasoning effort to quickly switch between a quick task and deeper reasoning without breaking my flow. Additionally to the game, I'm having Codex work on a couple of other things in my pinned tasks. Each of the tasks maps to a key on the Micro, and I can click them to quickly switch between tasks. I can quickly see what's running and what needs my attention at a glance. And if the app is in the background, I can double tap to see what needs my attention. When Codex asks for permission to run something, I can switch over and press accept. And I can also quickly switch back and hold voice again to queue up another task by asking, make the win state punchier and add a streak counter. It makes jumping between tasks so much easier than ever before. And by the way, the analog stick is a great fidget toy while you're waiting for Codex to complete a task. And there it is. The game is live, all from the Micro. All of the controls on the Codex Micro are customizable, so I can map them to the Codex actions that I use the most. Whether it's common skills, creating a pull request, or even triggering my pet. That's the Codex Micro. Get yours on openai.com/supply.